Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit check in the Bank of America app. First you want to log in right here to the Bank of America app, enter your user ID, password, go ahead and log in. Okay, then what I want you to do is I want you to come here and tap on a deposit check here at the bottom here. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. And then you need to tap front of the check, right? And you need to take a photo, a clear photo of the front of your check. Hold your device directly over the check, right? And they'll take the photo for you, or you can also tap on the camera icon to take the photo manually, and the green check mark will indicate that the photo has been captured. Then you do the same process for the back of the check. Follow the same process to capture the photo. Guys, make sure all the edges are visible, everything is clear. Make sure to use a darker surface for the background, okay? And then I want you to select an account, right? Come tap on there. Select the account where you want to deposit money, either your checking account or your savings account, whatever account it is. Go ahead and choose that, and then just enter the amount. So if it is a $100 check, enter that amount right here, and then tap on next, and then just review the details for accuracy, and then click on submit, and then you'll basically get a confirmation that your deposit is processing, and they will send you an email confirmation as well. And you can also see your deposit and the account details. You can come here and tap on done. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.